ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 2024 Indian Car of the Year and Indian Motorcycle of the Year. My name is Sirish Chandran. I'm the editor of Evo India, and it is my absolute privilege and honor to be part of both the ICOTY as well as the IMOTY ever since these awards were institutionalized. May the best car and bike win. And I've said on my podcast, don't forget to watch the faces of the jury members as the awards are announced. They will all be out here on the stage.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dhruv Behel, Editor-in-Chief of AutoX and Chairman of the ICOTY jury. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the 19th edition of ICOTY, 17th edition of IMOTY, 6th edition of the Premium Car Award, and 4th edition of the Green Car Award by ICOTY.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As always, it's wonderful to see all of you under the same roof. This happens every year, but it bears repeating. These are the industry's most important awards, so it's really important that all of you have come here. Thank you for your time. Thank you for making the effort. My name is Pablo Chatterjee. I'm the executive editor of Motoring World.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Abhay Verma, editor Turbocharged and jury member for ICOTY and IMOTY.
Hi, I'm Kushan Mitra, contributing editor at The Print and jury member for ICOTY 24.
We would like to invite Dr. Singhania and a representative from Deloitte, along with the jury members for ICOTY 2024, onto the stage, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I join Mr. Behel in extending you all a very warm welcome as we gather here for the Indian Car of the Year and Indian Motorcycle of the Year awards. It's great to see this assembly of industry leaders, enthusiasts, and visionaries once again. I'm equally thrilled to be standing here in Mumbai after a 5-year hiatus, soaking in the unique Mumbai energy as we host the most prestigious awards in the auto industry. At the onset, I would like to congratulate all the contenders who have made it to this year's nominations. As we all know, our association with ICOTY and IMOTY awards began since inception in 2005 and 2007, as was just mentioned by Mr. Behel, and is backed by a long-term commitment. Today, both awards are seen as hallmarks of excellence for the esteemed auto industry gathered here. It's impressive to see the dedication of our notable and esteemed jury who have an innate understanding of the Indian auto market and select the winners after rigorous evaluation across various parameters. Tonight isn't just a celebration of individual achievements, but a collective acknowledgement of how far India has traveled in the automotive journey. The Green Card Award for the year 2024, second runner-up is MG Comet. The first runner-up is BMW i7. And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Hyundai Ioniq 5. Premium Car Award 2024, the second runner-up, BMW X1. The Premium Car Award, first runner-up, Mercedes-Benz GLC. And the Premium Car Award for 24 goes to BMW 7 Series. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment has arrived for the IMOTY presentations now. The second runner-up is the KTM 390 Duke. The first runner-up in IMOTY 2024 is Triumph Scrambler 400X, which And the IMOTY winner for 2024. I'd be doing some prejudice here of every year picking the same company. Royal Enfield Himalaya. A very competitive field indeed, and a very close competition at that. The Indian Car of the Year 2024, second runner-up, we have two contenders there. Honda Elevate and Toyota Innova Hi-Cross. The first runner-up, Car of the Year 2024, is Maruti Suzuki Jimny. And the Car of the Year 2024, any guesses, ladies and gentlemen? Hyundai Extra.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the conclusion of yet another Indian Car of the Year and Indian Motorcycle of the Year awards. Thank you for being there with us this evening. It's been our pleasure to host you.
We would like to also wish you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. It's a Merry Christmas for some, a little bit more, but nevertheless, a Merry Christmas to everyone in this room. We truly mean it when we absolutely love to drive and ride the cars and bikes that you folks produce. So thank you again for being here this evening and wishing you a wonderful 2024.